Building a lab concept. In this video, I will discuss about how we can build networking in VMware workstation environment. So let's begin. First, we will discuss about VMnet. So think this is a machine of Suresh and it's connected with the physical network. And physical network address is 192.168.0.0. This Suresh machine has multiple VMnet like VMnet 1, VMnet 2 and VMnet 3. It has Kali box and this VM is associated with the VMnet 1 and VMnet 1 has address 10.0.0.0 and VMnet 2 has 10.1.0.0 and VMnet 3 has 10.2.0.0. In short, every different VMnet has different network address and it has also VMnet 0 and it's connected to the physical network, means it connected as a bridge, means VM is connected with VMnet 0 and VMnet 0 is connected with the bridge. So VM is communicate with the physical network using VMnet 0. Like A is equal to B and B is equal to A. So bridging provide communication with the physical network for VMs and virtual networks. So in this video, now we will discuss about how we can assign VM to the network. Here you can see I opened VMware Workstation. You can see version of VMware Workstation from Help menu. Go to the About VMware Workstation. It will show you version information and license information status. If you want to create VM network, go to the Edit and click on this Virtual Network Editor option. It will open Virtual Network Editor. You can see I have VMnet 0, VMnet 1 and VMnet 8. VMnet 8 is a netting device. It's a NAT and VMnet 1 is a host only network and VMnet 0 is a custom. If you want to edit this VM network, just click on change setting. So you can see we can edit now. Now VMnet 0 is connected with as a bridge, means we can connect this VMnet 0 to the physical adapter of this machine. Like I have a multiple network interface card, like I have wireless LAN card or Ethernet LAN card. So if you want to connect this VMnet 0 with the wireless, you can select Intel dual band wireless LAN card. And if you want to connect VMnet 0 as a NAT, select NAT option over here. We cannot change to the NAT because we have already VMnet 8 and it's a type of NAT. So we first remove NAT from VMnet 8 and then we can change VMnet 0 from bridge to the NAT. If you want to change to the host only network, just click on host only and this VMnet 0 will use a 192.168.35.0 network and if you click on this, it will enable DHCP, means when you associate this VMnet 0 to any VM, so it will assign DHCP address to the VM from this range, but it's necessary to click on this button. And if you want to connect this VMnet 0 to the host virtual adapter, just click on connect a host virtual adapter to this network. Means when you create VM, so it will connected with the VMnet 0. So just click on VMnet 0 and now you can select other option if you want. So I hope you understand how we can assign a VMnet to the bridge or net or host only. So let me create one VM network. Just click on add network. You can create from this drop down menu, select VMnet2 and click on OK. So it will create host only network and it has this network 192.168.2.1.0 and apply and then OK. Now you can see I have Kali Linux box and these are the settings, initial setting of this VM. Just click on network adapter and now you can change from this drop down menu. If you want to give VMnet 0 to this virtual machine, just select VMnet 0, it's a host only and click on OK. So if I am going to change VMnet 0 to the apply, then OK. So Kali Linux box will now able to connect with the physical network of this machine because VMnet 0 is associated with the bridge network. You can also change bridge for this VM from this button. Just select bridge connected directly to the physical network. So I hope you understand very well. So thank you for watching this video.